All right, tech investors, buckle up. Palantir just went parabolic, hitting an all-time high and becoming a mega-cap company. We're talking over $200 billion. But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's ask the tough questions. Is this surge based on solid fundamentals, or are we witnessing another tech bubble inflated by AI hype? What's really driving this, and is it sustainable? That's what we're breaking down today. Let's start with the obvious. First-order effects are the direct consequences. Palantir's stock price skyrockets. Market cap explodes. Analysts are tripping over themselves to upgrade their price targets from Bank of America to Morgan Stanley. And of course, Peter Thiel and Alexander Karp are seeing their net worths balloon. Positive investor sentiment is through the roof. This is the honeymoon phase, folks, but honeymoons don't last forever. The key is to understand the underlying reasons for this surge. It's not just hype. It's about perceived potential. Now, things get interesting. Palantir's success doesn't exist in a vacuum. It creates ripple effects across the entire AI landscape. Second-order effects include increased valuations for other AI-focused companies, even those that aren't direct competitors. Think of it as a rising tide lifting all boats. There's also an increased demand for AI talent. Palantir needs engineers, data scientists, and AI specialists, and so does everyone else. This drives up salaries and intensifies the competition for skilled professionals. And let's not forget the integration with Grok. This could encourage similar partnerships and integrations across the industry. But, and this is a big but, Palantir's reliance on government contracts also means increased scrutiny. We're talking about the ethics of AI-powered data analytics used by government agencies. This is a crucial point we'll revisit later. Speaking of Grok, let's zoom in. Palantir integrating Elon Musk's XAI chatbot is a bold move. But is it a game changer or just a gimmick? On one hand, it could supercharge Palantir's AI platform, making it even more powerful and versatile. On the other hand, it adds complexity and integration risk. And let's be honest, anything involving Elon Musk comes with a certain level of unpredictability. We need to see real-world results to determine if this partnership is truly a strategic advantage or just a publicity stunt. Okay, deep breath. We're now venturing into the realm of third-order effects, the long-term societal consequences. The success of companies like Palantir incentivizes further investment in AI research and development. This could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, transportation, and countless other fields. But it also intensifies the debate on AI ethics and regulation. How do we ensure that AI is used for good and not for harm? The increasing automation of tasks also raises concerns about job displacement. We need to prepare the workforce for the future. And, let's be blunt, the concentration of wealth among individuals like Karp and Thiel could exacerbate existing wealth inequality. These are complex issues with no easy answers. Now for the gut check. No investment is without risk, and Palantir is no exception. We need to be honest about the potential downsides. First, there are technical risks. The Grok integration could fail. Palantir's AI platform could become obsolete. Data breaches could cripple the company. Then there are business risks. The valuation could be a bubble. Reliance on government contracts is a double-edged sword. Competition is intensifying. And finally, there are ethical risks. The potential misuse of AI, lack of transparency, and data privacy concerns all need to be addressed. Ignoring these risks would be a huge mistake. Let's drill down on the technical risks. Integrating Grok isn't just plug and play. It requires seamless compatibility and robust performance. Any hiccups could derail the entire platform. And remember, the AI landscape is constantly evolving. What's cutting edge today could be outdated tomorrow. Palantir needs to continually innovate to stay ahead of the curve. Data security is paramount. One major breach could wipe out years of progress. And scalability is key. Can Palantir handle the increasing data volume without compromising performance? These are critical questions that investors need to consider. Now, let's talk business. The valuation is undeniably high. Deutsche Bank even said it's nearly impossible to grow into. That's a red flag. Palantir's reliance on government contracts is another concern. What happens if government priorities shift or funding gets cut? Competition is fierce. New players are entering the market every day. And customer concentration is a risk. Losing even one major client could have a significant impact. Reaching a $200 billion market cap puts immense pressure on Palantir to deliver exceptional growth. And let's not forget the overall economic climate. A downturn could dampen demand for Palantir services. Finally, the ethical considerations. Palantir's work with government agencies raises serious questions about the potential misuse of AI for surveillance and profiling. Transparency is crucial. We need to understand how Palantir's AI algorithms make decisions. Data privacy is non-negotiable. Palantir has a responsibility to protect sensitive information. Public perception matters. Negative publicity could damage the company's reputation, and the association with Elon Musk brings added scrutiny. Palantir needs to navigate these ethical challenges carefully to maintain public trust. So, what's the verdict? Is Palantir a buy, hold, or sell? The answer, as always, is it depends. Palantir has enormous potential. It's a leader in a rapidly growing market, but it also faces significant risks. If you're a long-term investor with a high risk tolerance, Palantir might be worth considering. But do your homework. Understand the risks. And don't get caught up in the hype. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a dynamic situation, and we'll continue to monitor Palantir's progress closely. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Palantir is a company to watch. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below.